When searching for the right debt counseling service, keep these important things in mind. For someone not accustomed to dealing with financial issues, a debt problem can seem to be hard to overcome. You are not as alone as you may think when it comes to eliminating your debt. Finding the right debt counseling service to act as a communication channel between you and your creditors will assist in reducing your debt quickly. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a debt counseling service that's right for you. 1. In researching the service, ask for any accreditations, certifications, and Better Business Bureau ratings. 2. A debt counselor may also provide clients with information and options on debt consolidation. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right debt counseling service. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.